संसार दावा त्राणाय कारुण्य घना घनत्वम्.
Lord Chaitanya, who is none other than Krishna, predicted 500 years ago that his name will be spread in every town and village. He inaugurated the Sankirtan movement in India. Later, Srila Prabhupada appeared to spread that holy name all over the world and thus fulfilling the prophecy of the Lord. One of the dedicated disciples of Srila Prabhupada is His Holiness Loknath Swami Maharaj, who is working tirelessly for spreading the mission of Srila Prabhupada in every direction through his Kirtan, Padyatra and many other projects. Born on July 5th, 1949 in Aravade on the auspicious day of Ashadi Ekadashi, he was named Raghunath. Hearing the cry of the newborn baby, Raghunath's grandfather looked at the stars and predicted, "A great personality has appeared in our home." While studying science in Bombay, Raghunath happened to visit the historical Pandal program in 1971 at Cross Maidan, which was conducted by ISKCON. He was deeply touched with the philosophy and was attracted by the Western sadhus. The next year, he attended the program again. This time, he wrote a letter to the temple president of ISKCON Juhu asking the requirements to join the temple. Since then, he is working tirelessly for the pleasure of Srila Prabhupada. His kirtans are so ecstatic that Srila Prabhupada said, "He is our Tukaram." He was initiated by Srila Prabhupada in 1972 and later took sannyas in 1975.
So I'm very thankful to Tamal Krishna Gosai Maharaj. And he proposed, he said, "You marry Krishna." And then idea of me taking sannyas kind of came out of that, marrying Krishna, take sannyas.
We went into quarters of Srila Prabhupada to check two things, whether our names were going to change and whether new assignments. And of course our assignment did not change, and also regarding the name, Prabhupada said, just add Swami to your names.
In 1976, on the auspicious day of Radhashtami, His Holiness Loknath Swami Maharaj received an instruction from Srila Prabhupada to conduct Padyatra on bullock carts.
Radhashtami Prabhupada said, "You don't need to travel on the bus in India. Instead, you can get one bullock cart and go preach village to village all over India. It will be great success."
It became my mission, which I had to accomplish, or rather, I'm still accomplishing it. When I presented the report of bullock carts and Kirtan Padyatra journey to Kumbh Mela, the oceanic smile on Srila Prabhupada's face on hearing the report is still keeping me inspired.
कीर्तन के लिए nobody can beat him. Nobody can beat him. महाराज कीर्तन सम्राट हैं, लाखों भक्तों के इंस्पिरेशन है महाराज कीर्तन के लिए।
जब महाप्रभु दक्षिण भारत की यात्रा आरंभ किए तो चैतन्य चरितामृत में उनका वर्णन आता है कि कैसे एक मदमत्त सिंह की भांति गरजते हुए श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु कीर्तन करते हुए जा रहे थे और श्रील प्रभुपाद के इस इस्कॉन आंदोलन को विशेष रूप से कीर्तन के माध्यम से हर गांव में फैलाने के लिए इसी प्रकार के सिंहनाद के कीर्तन के साथ उपस्थित हुए परम पूज्य लोकनाथ स्वामी महाराज।
Srila Prabhupada said about him, he is our Tukaram.
Look at it here. And look at it here. I came 35 years ago. Look at this place. Look at the Maharaj's dreams. To do for what? To please Srila Prabhupada. That's what he wants. Anything he does it to please Srila Prabhupada.
Not a vehicle from Vaikuntha, but Radharani herself can take him by the hand and take him into her personal service.
महाराज के हृदय में कृष्ण के लिए प्रेम जो है भरपूर है